What if I told you there was a way to get started with Google Veo for free? I'm going to show you what this method is, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to have access to Google Veo for free. So let's get right into the video. Now, Google Veo is an AI video generator by Google, and basically, you can generate realistic looking videos with this tool. And as you can see, you could either try Google View in Gemini or in Flow. The method I'm going to teach you in today's video is basically going to be on Gemini. Now on my dashboard, you can see that I actually have the video feature, and if I select it, you can see generate with Veo 3. So it's an option for me to generate videos with Veo 3. And basically, this is an example video that I generated with Google Veo 3, and it looks something like this. And just so you know, this was done entirely for free. So let's really go right into how you could use Google View for free. Now, what you want to do is you want to come over to your browser, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on upgrade. I know what you're thinking, but listen, you're not going to have to pay to use Google View. Now, you could see here that you could get offer, but you want to scroll down below and you're able to see this option, Google AI plans. And on this page, you're able to see this pricing plan. It's basically a free trial by Google Veo. It allows you to use Google Veo for free. So basically, the video I generated was using the free trial of Google Veo. And how it works is you can actually use it for 30 days. You get 3 videos per day, like I said. And so what you need to do is you're going to be able to click on Get Google AI Pro. Now, one thing to note is that this is not the equivalent of the paid plan of Google Veo in dollars. This is in my currency. So, just so you know. So, you want to click on the Get Google AI Pro, and then you'll be able to sign up for the free trial, and you'll be able to get access to the video feature. Now, you would need to actually cancel your subscription before the 30-day trial runs out. And how you could do it is you could come over to your settings and you'll be able to manage your subscription, and here you'll be able to cancel your membership. So that's basically how you cancel your membership if you'd like to do that. I believe there are other steps for you to properly cancel your memberships, so just keep that in mind. Now you have access to the Google View 3 generator. You want to know how to monetize the tool, right? Well, you want to start creating videos for YouTube or even ads using this tool, since you could use it for free. And so basically, you want to be creative when using this tool. And if you can come up with creative videos that are transformative and actually provide value, and your videos start to get views, then once you reach 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers, you could get your channel monetized. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know down in the comments if you'd want any videos on how to use Google View. I'll be happy to make a video for you guys. And with that said, I'll see you in our next video.